In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Uizard design as a PNG or JPG using Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar at the top of the window, type uizard.io, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you straight to Uizard's website. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. When the login screen appears, enter your email and your password carefully, making sure everything is typed correctly, then click Login to continue. Keep your credentials private and only enter them on the official Uizard site. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here you'll see a list of your projects. Click the name of the project you want to work with. This will open the project workspace where all your screens and designs are organized. Inside the project, open the specific screen or design you want to export. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct version and that everything looks the way you intend. Check your layout, text, and images. It's always easier to make quick tweaks now than after you've downloaded the file. Next, move to the top right corner of the interface and click the button labeled Export or Download. Depending on your view, it may say either one. Both lead to the same place for saving your design. When the export options appear, choose your preferred file format, PNG or JPG. If you're unsure, here's a quick guide to help you decide. PNG is great for crisp visuals, transparency, and designs with sharp edges or text, making it ideal for UI mockups, presentations, or anything that needs a clean look. JPG produces smaller file sizes and works well for photos or when you need a lightweight image for quick sharing. Pick the format that best fits your use case. After you've selected PNG or JPG, go ahead and click Download. Chrome will start saving the file to your default downloads location. You can watch the progress in the browser's download bar. Once it finishes, your exported design is ready to share, review, or include in documents and presentations. That's it. You opened Google Chrome, went to uizard.io, logged in, opened your project in the exact screen you needed, selected export or download from the top right, chose PNG or JPG, and clicked download. With these steps, you can quickly export high-quality visuals from Uizard whenever you need them.